Hi, I'm Erin.
And I'm Johnny.
And today we're going to talk about candle packaging featuring some of our customers.
The first customer we wanted to talk about was 865 Candle Company.
One of the things I'd like to point out about these products is that across their different jar and container types, they keep their label and branding consistent. So you can tell from product to product that their labels are very similar, the same design, same shapes or sizes, like very consistent and compatible with their jars and brand.
Yeah, and one of the things that we also like about this is how they hand date every one of their candles. So it really adds to that handmade feel that they're going for.
But at the same time, they still give off a very professional feel, and you can tell that these are high quality products.
And we really like how their information stands out on this white matte label. They have a nice distressed design going, and it works.
Next on our list is Sandlight Candle. They have another very professional looking candle label, but theirs is more simplistic and minimalistic.
And one of the things we liked about Sandlight Candle is how their minimal design is really complemented by the brown craft label that they chose to use. It stands out against the white candle really well, and it matches that nice brass top, and it keeps it consistent between containers.
And it still looks good on tin, which is another question we get a lot. So brown craft is incredibly versatile, and we think Sandlight Candle does a great job of using it across their product line.
Finally, we wanted to talk about Sawdust and Numbers Apothecary.
One of the things we like about them is that they have multiple collections of candles going at the same time, but their branding stays really consistent. So in their Skulls in the City line, you can tell that these are a unit and they come packaged together, whereas their Travel Tin Mini really does well on its own in their original branding.
And for this collection here, they're actually using two labels, a label on the lid and a full wraparound for their container here. So they can use nice big font, get big branding all throughout, and it's all printed on a weatherproof label. Because this is their travel tin, it helps with kind of heavy use, putting it in and out of your bag, and just holds up for that good consistent branding.
Thanks to our wonderful candle customers for sending in these product samples. To get started creating your own custom candle packaging, go to onlinelabels.com/candles.
And for more label inspiration, be sure to subscribe to the channel.